and I miss you.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you follow me on Instagram, which should be popping up right now at no.pros.rc, you would see that I have got this new RC or RC-ish over the weekend from an auction, and I really thought it was going to be something interesting, especially from the name, Mini Aero. And you can see who it's made by right there. But yeah, I did an unboxing. You can check out that video. It should be popping up right now. But I don't even know if this car is going to be worth putting batteries in it and running it. I'm very disappointed. It only turns one way, which is to the left. It doesn't even turn right. It only goes in one direction. You can see right here by the controller. It claims reverse, but I don't even know how it's going to do that. The only thing this thing would be good for is just jumping it until it breaks. I mean, honestly, I really don't even want to waste my time to put batteries in it. But if you guys want to see me put batteries in it and run it and see what it does, you know, it's got this sloppy metal antenna, which I can't stand. You know, just leave a thumbs up, and I'll do it. I'll do it for the No Pros. I'll run it, make a video of it, see how it does. But as it stands right now, this just isn't worth my time to even bother to put batteries in it and run it. I just know I'm going to be disappointed. I really am. Let alone it's probably has no power. Probably doesn't even have enough power to get up the ramp to even jump. Yeah, I really just wasted my money on this. I really was expecting more, and I got disappointed. Yeah. So, well, it is what it is. But if you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. And if we can get let's just be realistic with the channel. If we can get 10 likes, that's 10 thumbs up, I'll go ahead and put batteries in it and run it. Otherwise, we'll just be moving on to the next one. I do have a couple other RCs that we can check out. I will be posting those on the gram, so you'll know on the gram what I'll be making a YouTube video on before YouTube. So follow me on Instagram if you want to get the inside scoop of what's going on or what's coming up for the channel. And yeah, this is I don't know what to say. I mean, it's a nice looking RC. Like I said, I have another one in blue, but that's still sealed in a box, and I'm not even going to open it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not even going to open it. I mean, I like the tread pattern on the tires. It makes, from looking at it, it'll make you think that this thing is ready to rip and is ready to do something. But what the hell can you do if it only steers one way, if it only goes in one direction? What can you do with it? This right here, this is what we had to do with back in the day. So yeah. Anyway, stay tuned for the next one. And yeah, like I said, if you want to see this run, 10 plus likes, and I'll put some batteries in it and we'll do it. All right, stay tuned for the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.